Namaste everyone, welcome back to lesson 2. Today in this lesson I will teach you Nepali Barnamala. Nepali Barnamala, which means Nepali consonant. In this lesson I will teach you detailedly on how to read and write each consonant. As you can see here on the screen, there are 36 consonants in Nepali language, which is further divided into 7 different lines. Each line have 5 different consonants, but only in the 7th line there are 6 consonants, and altogether there are 36 consonants in Nepali language. Without any delay, let's learn how to write and read consonant. As I have told you, there are 36 consonants which are further divided into 7 different lines. So I will teach you these 7 different lines in 4 different parts. So now we are in the part 1, where I will teach you first and second line. Moving on to the first line, there are again 5 consonants, as I have already said you. Now let's begin to write the first consonant. Ka, ka,
Ka.
Let's see how to write ka. Let's see one more time. This is how we write the first consonant ka. Let's move to the second consonant of first line, which is kha, kha.
Ka.
Now let's learn how to write kha. Let's see one more time. As you can see on the screen, I have written somehow a little different than the above displayed consonant, because the above displayed consonant is Nepali printing font, which is a computerized font, but down one is the free writing form. So for ease, I write kha in this way. If you want to follow the above printing font, you can follow it, but it's always better and easier to follow the free form. That's how we write kha. Now let's move on to the third consonant, ga, ga.
Ga.
Now let's see how to write. Let's see one more time. So this is how we write ga. As you can see here, again I have written differently than the printing font because I feel easier in this way. So you can follow the either one, the printing font or the free form. Now let's move on to the fourth consonant, which is ka, ka.
Ka.
Now let's see how to write this. Let's see one more time. So this is how we write ka. Let's move on to the fifth consonant, nga, nga.
Nga.
This sound might be a little difficult for most of you because this is pronounced from your nose. So it's a nasal sound. Nga, nga. Now let's learn how to write this. Let's see one more time. So this is how we write ga. And be careful while giving the dot, because further I will teach you another one consonant which is very identical to this consonant, and only difference lies between the dot I have given here. So please to remember, nga has a dot. Congratulations everyone, you have successfully completed how to write and how to read first line of Nepali consonant. Let's have a quick review. Please follow after me. Ka,
Ka,
kha,
Kha,
ga,
Ga,
kha,
Ka,
nga.
Nga.
Now let's move on to the second line. The first consonant of second line is cha, cha.
Cha,
Now let's learn how to write cha. Let's see one more time. That's how we write cha. Let's move further. Cha, cha.
Cha,
Now let's see how to write cha. Let's see one more time. So this is how we write cha. Again, you can see the difference between the printing font and the free writing font. I prefer the free writing font because it's much easier. Let's move further. Ja, ja.
Ja,
Let's see how to write ja. Let's see one more time. This is how we write ja. Let's move further. This is the fourth consonant of second line, which is cha, cha.
Cha,
Let's see how to write cha. Let's do it one more time. This is how we write cha. This is the new Nepali way. In the new publication book, you can find the way I have done here. But if you find some old publication book, there is different way to write cha. So let's see how we write cha in the old format. So this is the old format of writing cha. You can find the both way of writing cha in the book. Let's move forward. Now we are at the end of the second line consonant. this consonant is pronounced as ya, ya.
ya,
But let me give you a reading rule. When this consonant is pronounced individually, the sound here is ya. But when this consonant comes in the word, in between the word or at the end of the word, it has the sound na. So this rule is very important rule for reading. Remember, individual sound is ya. The sound when it comes in the word is na. Now let's see how to write this consonant. Let's see one more time. This is how we write ya. Isn't it very easy? Congratulations everyone. Now you have again successfully completed how to write the second line. Please follow after me. Cha,
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 ja,
ja,
cha,
ja,
ya.
ya.
Now it's abhyas time, practice time everyone. I have shown here 10 consonants of first and second line. So the black bullet acts as a question for you. Try to guess the sound individually. So I will point the cursor here and your work is to guess the sound. So let's begin. What is this? You can pause the video and try saying it. Okay, this is ka. Did you make it right? If yes, well done. If no, again time to revise the sound. Let's move on to the second one. Try guessing this everyone. Aha, this is the sound ka. Now let's move on to the next one. Try guessing this one. It is ga. What is this? It's ka. I think everybody will make correct on this. Try guessing this one. Hazur, this is nga, the nasal sound nga. Moving on to the next, please guess what is this? It's cha. I hope you made it correct. Let's move to another. What is this? It's cha. Let's do another one. Tell me what is this? Hazur is ja. Okay, help me with this please. Aha, this is cha. Let's move on to the last one. Try saying this. Hazur, it's ya in the individual sound, na in the word. So let's have a quick revision one more time. Please follow after me. I will pause for a while and in that time period, please repeat after me. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, tha, ya. Well done everyone. With this we are at the end of part 1 of lesson 2.